Hi there, traders. Hope everybody's having a good start of the week. We had a few breakouts here, mostly in New Zealand and the Aussies. Forgive the volume. Once again, I forgot my headphones in my office at home. Did not bring them in today. So we will have to suffer through this way, but I'm sure everything will work out just fine. As you can see on the Twitter feed, I went long on the Euro New Zealand and the Euro odd. The odd at 144 and the Euro New Zealand at 165.13. I'll explain those trades and I'll tell you why I passed on the Great Britain New Zealand choice. But I would have to warn you that heading into this week, we're probably going to have slow trading until Wednesday when we have the FOMC results, and then on Thursday we have the ECB and the BOE. Bank of England reporting. We have Bank of England at 7 a.m. Eastern Time, the BOE I think at 7:45, and then the Draghi press conference, and then on Friday we have non-farm payroll, and then we have a Chinese PMI I guess on Thursday night. So we could have a lot of volatility into the end of the week, and a lot of traders are probably going to be a little bit nervous about placing trades heading into that. So we could see just some choppy trading, and that's why I was hesitant to put too many eggs in one basket, and why I only took the Euro New Zealand and the Euro and the Euro on New Zealand. That's right. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the trades and the way they set up. You can see that the Great Britain New Zealand sat right there at the 4-hour trend line for multiple days at 190. The Great Britain New Zealand, the Euro New Zealand, same thing. On the 4-hour, we can see that it was sitting right there at 164, and then we had breaks from those levels today, and we didn't get any follow through from this triangle break. So actually, a confirmed close back above this level would probably negate that breakout. And put this trade back into its chop range between about the 160, well, we have our new low 164 and the 167 level. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. Let's take a look at the breakout that occurred. The breakout on the 15-minute chart, you can see that we had a push through the initial resistance zone, and I waited till we broke through the daily high, which happened around 6:15, because we did get a good rejection there, and that didn't happen all the way up until 165.13. And when we got a break at that 165.13 level, you can see things were off to the races from that point on. Now you could have, if you wanted to, gone long here at the 164.94, but I prefer to have confirmation at these levels. But you could definitely move your trade to break even right now if you wanted to, and 5 more pips if you wanted to consider that as your point, just to go risk free into the end of the day. That's up to you even if you took that trade. So what I'm looking for in this particular pair is a push up to the 165.13, and then maybe for 120 pips up towards the 164.13. Let's just take a look at the hour chart, see if we have any significant resistance coming up in there. First level would be around the 165.71, so we'll see what we can get on that. Probably maybe at the 50 picks is probably all we would probably get today anyways. So keep a look on this breakout. And now the Great Britain New Zealand, the reason I passed on this trade is pretty simple. It had just moved too much too quickly. I basically was sitting at the 190 level, and not that it moved too much too quickly. I mean, this pair can move 280 pips in a day. I mean, what it was is that I would be chasing the move at that point, because my clear signal would be an enter at 191, but then we're right at Friday's resistance level. You can see right here, so you kind of have to hold again. So the actual real entry level doesn't occur all the way up until basically the peak of the day at 191.42, and I did not want to follow and jump into that train. You could have basically gone long if you didn't want to avoid the Friday's level at 191, but these are all judgment calls that you have to make, and I'll tell you when I go in. Basically, I normally wait for confirmed breakouts of the trends of the Friday level. I would definitely wait for that, because it's better to miss a trade actually than take a loss. Better to be safe than sorry in this type of environment that we're in right now, heading into Wednesday. Now if we look at the Euro odd, now this pair, on the other hand, once again, I waited for the break of the high around 6:15, and that came in around 144, up about 7 pips right now. Still long 2 lots. We're going to watch this MAC for a crossover and so forth. And this pair, we're looking for the same things: 144.50, 144.50, 145. And the Great Britain odd, you can see that, well, 4-hour chart's not telling you too much. You can see that on this pair we also did get a breakout, but the breakout happened too late in the day for me, especially in these thin markets. I mean, 11 o'clock, 11:15 looks like we get a confirmed move at 166.78. Pass on that because I don't really take any trades after 11:30, especially in summer trading, which is the European close. So we can see that that's all we'll be watching. In that pair, we're just going to be sidelined. And in the yen crosses, it looked like we were going to get some action in these pairs. These are the crosses I was actually anticipating taking trades at, but we know we just basically consolidated within a 50 pip range in both of these crosses today. So we will see the breakout in the Aussie, breakout in New Zealand. So basically just keeping my eyes on this Euro New Zealand trade, seen here at the 154.38, but like it to move up to the 50 pips, just get that break even. And the Euro odd, still watching the 144 level, see what we can get on that. I'm going to close these trades out either at 2 or 4. I'm going to decide when the time comes. All right, everybody, good luck trading, and like I said, probably expecting slow markets until Wednesday. So keep yourself nimble. All right, everybody, have a good night.